salmon and big trees go hand in hand and have for quite some time. The Mill Creek property is a refugium for coho salmon. It's a creek that is absolutely critical to the recovery of salmon, and Save the Redwoods League recognizes the recovery of salmon populations as an integral part of the forest as a whole recovering.
In-stream restoration efforts are intended to restore the processes that create healthy salmon habitats. Over 20 years of fisheries monitoring in Mill Creek has shown that fish numbers in the West Branch are much higher than fish numbers in the East Fork. This difference is partly due to the lack of structural wood in the East Fork and to the predominance of alder trees.
Well, after 100 years or more of commercial wood extraction, the streams and rivers here have become so depleted of wood that their form was counterproductive to salmon habitat and the habitat forming processes that are related to wood.
In order to restore these habitat forming processes, it is necessary to add a lot of wood.
Our objective to restore a process requires us to reintroduce vast amounts of wood that was similar to what occurred here over geomorphic time.
Without wood, forest streams become simplified, often described as flumes or bowling alleys. Rivers with intact riparian zones deliver large volumes of wood to stream channels, creating complexity for fish by influencing the way water and gravel moves downstream. This type of in-stream restoration began at a small scale in the East Fork of Mill Creek starting in 2006. An additional 10 complex wood jams were constructed in 2008, and we are already seeing profound results. With time, the East Fork of Mill Creek will provide much better spawning and rearing habitat for the numerous salmon and trout that return to Mill Creek each year. With continued restoration efforts, Mill Creek will continue to play a critical role as both a forest stronghold and a salmon stronghold.